Greetings, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you here. Consolidation across board for the majors and gold is what we're going to be talking about today. And of course, you're going to learn exactly how the price moves, how the price behaves. Basically, you're going to learn a lot about the market structure. Most times, you will notice that price tends to move in a trending manner, apart from a trending manner, because price has to rest after. It then moves into a consolidation state of mind. Consolidation, or it's called ranging, or it's called sideways, equilibrium, or whatever you want to call it. So this is what we're having now across board for the majors and gold. And funny enough, yesterday we had high impact news that came out for the dollar, the CPI, by 1:30 p.m. UK time yesterday, but it is still sideways. So it seems that the battle between the buyers and the sellers, between the bulls and the bears, is that fierce. Yes, indeed, it is that intense. And of course, later today, by 1:30 p.m., we have the PPI, Producer Price Index, for the USD. And then maybe, just maybe, we could have proper breakout, right? Maybe. If you look at the Euro USD, you can see it's consolidating. So we're simply going to wait for a breakout to the upside or to the downside. And then, of course, looking at the many instruments that we have, going to just breeze through them. This video is going to be a short one based on the consolidation. There isn't much opportunity in the market today. Cable, as you can see, we have a breakout here. Well, is it really a breakout or a false break? The only way to know is when we have a retest of this former support, we should now turn to resistance. We see whether it holds as resistance or whether it goes back into the range. And that's what we have for the cable. Aussie sideways, moving from one sideways to another. We said much earlier that price is either trending. I'm going to show you something. Price is either trending or moving sideways, trending or moving sideways, trending or moving sideways, trending, and you have trending or moving sideways. The price tends to move in this manner, and it is for us to be able to identify it in order to take advantage. A lot of trending, ranging consolidation here. Price is breaking out here on the Kiwi, the NZD USD. What do we have next? We wait for a retest of these lows over here. We wait for a retest of these lows over here for confirmation that indeed it is going to hold and then continue to drop, or it might as well be a fake out. Don't forget the news later today by 1:30 p.m. for the USD is going to determine a whole lot. And over here we have the dollar Sweezy sideways market. As you can see, it seems to have made a top here, double top, triple top, and so on. It seems to be testing this area a lot, but basically still moving sideways. Dollar yen, we've been talking about this for a very long time now, and if you look, it is still bullish, quite all right. While it is bullish, it tends to move into that sideways action. As you can see clearly over here, tends to move into some pockets of sideways action, and then over here we can see a sideways market. Over here, consolidation on the dollar yen. So now what we're expecting, just like the others, is either a break to the upside or to the downside, and then we follow. As a trader, you are supposed to be a reaction trader and not an action trader, meaning that when the price acts, then we react accordingly. So patience is very, very key. The same thing over here, you can see gold moving from one range to the other, or from one wedge to the other, or flag or channel or whatever you want to call it. But this is basically what we have across board for the majors and gold. So the best thing I would advise for you is to be on the sidelines, is to sit on your hands if you don't have any opportunity. And of course, if you don't get any opportunity this week, it is not a problem whatsoever. There will still be more opportunities come next week. And then also, if you were like me this week, that you had a few break even and of course a few small losses, don't forget you need to always minimize your losses and then maximize your profit. But we didn't have any runner this week thus far, so it's not a problem. It has basically been a thing of scalping. The scalpers have been the ones who enjoy this week. But let's see how the week plays out. We still have today and tomorrow before we call it what it is, right? So I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like the video, and of course comment if you have any question whatsoever. Comment below. If you have any feedback whatsoever, comment below as well. You want to see a particular video on a particular instrument, comment, and then we'll see what we can do for you. And if you want to learn how to trade the market using price action, support and resistance trading strategy, you have a free training in the link in the description below. The link is in the description below for the free 3 days training, where we give you a rundown from A to Z, everything you need to know about the business. And of course, we have the free webinar on Sunday, where we look at what happened during the week, the past trades, the past opportunities, and then also we talk about the future opportunities coming out in the new week as well. And of course, if you are interested in one-on-one or the membership area where you get to accelerate your trading, use the link in the description below as well and reach out. Thank you guys. It has indeed been a pleasure. Enjoy the rest of the day and goodbye.